Tech bureau company has officially launched the Catapult blockchain engine. The full version of the Catapult blockchain engine was released. The updated NEM protocol is available for public and private networks. The official webpage of NEM reports on the Medium portal. Tech Bureau has been developing and testing Catapult for nearly 3-4 years. The technology will expand the capabilities of NEM blockchain and give it even a greater speed and fine-tuning capabilities. At the same time, the company is launching a laboratory for developers to independently study the engine. Companies and individuals will be able to learn how to deploy and configure Catapult without managing their own infrastructure. The public release of the Catapult blockchain platform and launch of the lab for developers is a key step in the roadmap that will lay the foundation for a cloud solution for corporate needs, said Tom Benno, head of the North American branch of Tech Bureau. Crypto exchange of the Winklevoss brothers Gemini added support for Zcash. According to the representatives of the platform, we quote, "Gemini has become the first licensed exchange in the world that will trade this privacy-orientated coin." The official blog of the company reports about it on the Medium platform. Trading will be launched next Tuesday, but traders will be able to make deposits on Saturday. The platform will present 3 currency pairs: Zcash US dollars, Zcash Bitcoin, and Zcash Ethereum. Gemini is regulated by the Financial Services Authority of New York. The department has developed and implemented regulations, regulatory framework for market regulations of the digital currency. In the US, it's one of the most strict documents to control the trading of digital assets. Therefore, the anonymous Zcash for listing on the website of the Winklevoss brothers, quite a bold act. If this does not cause problems with the regulator, it will strengthen the position of the cryptocurrency. Also, Zcash became third digital asset on Gemini. Prior to the launch of trading, the platform supports pairs with dollar, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Zcash continues from the place where Bitcoin has stopped. Bitcoin has a lot of strength sides, but privacy is not one of them, said the head of the platform Tyler Winklevoss. Miners producers can secretly mine cryptocurrencies on the most powerful ASICs. David Vorik, the leading developer of Sia Coin, told about this in a blog on the Medium platform. Sia is a blockchain system of cloud data storage. Vorik himself is the owner of a small Chinese manufacturer of ASIC named Obelisk. He'll release his first chip in 8 weeks. The developer added that he is pessimistic about ASIC resistance, and he continues to make sure of this by studying the equipment and its capabilities. It's estimated that Monero's secret ASIC accounted for more than 50% of hash rate almost a year before opening, and no one noticed the increased complexity during that time. A huge part of the Monero blockchain was centralized by a small group, and 51% attack could be done at any time, David Vorik writes. According to Vorik, in addition to the public, there is a closed market of mining equipment. Farm owners offer ASIC chip manufacturers millions of dollars for an exclusive access to the devices. They have not yet been announced and have not been widely sold. Vorik assumes that the world has already developed and uses chips to mine all cryptocurrencies with a capitalization of more than $20 million. Recall, in July last year, we already talked about the possibilities of Sia in a separate issue. Back then, the coin was traded around half a cent. Now its rate is 2 cents. The first crypto exchange using Nasdaq technology will be launched next month. The American stock exchange Nasdaq introduced the technology for a new centralized crypto platform DX. Nasdaq ranks second in the world in terms of market capitalization after the New York Stock Exchange. It's reported by Finance Magnates. The head of the exchange, Daniel Skarnowski, said that the new platform uses the usual infrastructure of the Nasdaq. He also called the future platform universal, as it will allow to exchange fiat money for cryptocurrency, own coins, and use wallets at the same time. Also, according to the publication, DX will not take the commission for trading. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin and Ethereum will be represented among the assets. At the second stage of the project, according Skornovsky, they plan to add up to 25 coins, but which exactly is unclear. He also noted that the DX will not be initially available for US users, but the exchange is already in dialogue with US regulators. Blockchain in Estonia continues to receive approval from the government. Regulators and officials of Estonia still show interest in the potential of the distributed registry. To closely study the tokens and get acquainted with markets experts, on May 23rd and 24th, Tallinn will host an international conference, Tokenomics. The meeting will bring together regulators, traders, investors and crypto traders from 10 countries, including China, Singapore, US, Israel, neighbor Lithuania, Malta, England and Belarus Republic. The main topic on the agenda: tokens from release on ICO before listing on the stock exchanges and the change of courses.